Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine by grace of Allah. Students, in geography we are doing chapter 1, Earth as a planet. Today our topic for discussion are change in the length of day and nights. Then comes revolution, seasons, solar and lunar eclipse, and in the last we will discuss continents and oceans. Change in the length of day and night. Look on this picture. There is a sun and planets are moving around it. Earth is one of the planets which is continuously revolving around the sun. As we know that the timing of day and night is not same. Sometimes day are longer and sometimes night are longer. Sometimes day is shorter than night. So which are the reason behind it? Because Earth is tilted. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5. Due to this tilt, the length of day and night changes. Tilt means a little small turn. A little small turn. Days are longer in the portion which is tilted towards the sun, and the days are shorter in the portion which is tilted away from the sun. Then comes revolution. Look on this picture. Earth is revolving around the sun. When something is an object that is revolving around some other object, then this is called revolution. And what is rotation? When an object is rotating around its own axis, then this is called rotation. So movement of the Earth in its orbit around the sun is called revolution. There are some characteristics, properties of revolution of Earth. The Earth movement is in anti-clockwise, opposite to the clockwise direction, and its speed is 107,000 km per second per hour. Its speed is 107,000 km per hour. A complete revolution is 365 days and 6 hours. Due to the revolution of the sun, seasons are formed. The shape of this orbit is like oval. It's like egg. Then comes solar and lunar eclipse. Look on the pictures. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. See the difference between solar and lunar eclipse. In solar eclipse, moon is between Earth and sun, while in lunar eclipse, Earth comes between sun and moon. Remember it and don't forget this important point. It's very important question. The difference between solar and lunar eclipse is, in solar eclipse, moon comes between sun and earth, while in lunar eclipse, the earth comes between sun and moon. Now we will discuss what is continent and which are the major continents, which are how many continents in whole the world. The land portion is comprised of 7 large masses, which are called continents. This is the definition of continents. Learn it. And how many continents in whole the world? There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Okay, students, do you know which is the largest one continent? It's Asia. And which is the smallest one continent? Australia. Now comes ocean. What is ocean? A huge mass of water is called ocean. There are 5 oceans in whole the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the last one is Northern Ocean. Okay, which is the smallest ocean and which is the largest one? Pacific Ocean is the largest one ocean. And which is the smallest one? Northern Ocean. So student, you have to learn this all the topics related to today's lecture. You have to learn ocean name, continents name, definition of continents, ocean, the difference between solar and lunar eclipse. So it was all about today. See you next. Take care.